Hello everyone, I live in a really tiny studio apartment, and in this video I'm going to do a little walkthrough and show you some of the ways I've managed to save space, organize, and store my stuff. Starting with my little TV console. This is from IKEA. On this side I have just books and my crystals are in here. Actually, I need to get those out. A little basket of random stuff that I don't want out on display. On this side I have my printer paper, and then that's a cute little box full of nail polishes. Moving on to nightstands. The main reason I got them is because they each have 3 drawers. I have one on each side of the bed. I use this just as like my little chapsticks and whatever else. I'm not gonna open that drawer. And then this is like socks, because my closet is really small, and then that is just like underwear and bras and stuff. The other one I have like light bulbs, extra cords, and then like stationery and thank you notes and just random stuff that I don't have room for. I also found this cute little storage ottoman on Amazon for $40. I originally bought it for my living room because this turns over as a table and I eat in my living room a lot, so I thought that would be really cute, but for now I just really like it at the end of the bed. So this has a ton of storage in it, which I'm not utilizing right now. I don't even really know what I'll end up putting in there, but yeah, it's just nice to have that as an option. Another game changer has been stackable furniture. Like this table just slides in there and can create extra space if I need it, like if I have people over, which is never. This tray, this table always had like a lot of stuff on it and just visually was really cluttery. Consolidating your stuff into a tray makes everything just appear nicer, and it also helps because I do eat on my couch a lot. I use this big table as like a little dining table thing, and I can just lift the tray up by its handles and move everything all at once. And here's another example of consolidating things with a tray and making it look more organized. This little kitchen riser is the cutest thing ever, and I never knew I needed it, but I'm just obsessed with it. It's from Yamakaze Home. I'll link everything I can that I'm talking about down below if it's available. It just consolidated everything that was on my counter and gave me extra height, and I can stack stuff, and it just looks so cute. My brother painted this picture. He's such a good artist, and he also has a YouTube channel. I'm gonna link it down below. This is a little magnetic spice shelf from Amazon. I think I'm gonna get a second one because I'm building up my spice collection. It's really super magnetic and strong, and it sticks to the side of the fridge, and I can just grab my spices really easily while I'm cooking, and I don't need to take up drawer or counter space. This probably looks really messy, but for me this is pretty organized. This little drawer, I have a few of these actually in my other cabinets. They're from Target, and they're just so nice. They pull out and they close really nicely, and they just create like an extra shelf for even more vertical storage. And then this has helped a lot too, just keeping like all my oils and clips here, so my oils, clips, salt and pepper and stuff isn't all over the counter. This is not news to anyone, but kitchen carts are so great for storing. I got these canisters on Amazon. Just by storing my dried goods on this shelf, I was able to clear up an entire cabinet in my kitchen that I can utilize for other stuff. It's kind of hard to get a good shot of this shelf right here, but I have this little rolling shelf. This is also from Amazon. I just use it for my crock pot, my Nespresso pods. I keep my mail and my to-do list and all that stuff on the top. Down here I just have a basket for all my Tupperware and a little container for all my pins. Utilizing the space behind your sofa is always great. Your furniture is going to look better if it's floating away from the wall a little bit anyway. So I have some baskets back here. I actually have canned goods right there that won't fit in my pantry, and this is just a little basket of decor that I'm not using right now. I have some picture frames in there. I have some lights that I need to actually hang in the kitchen. Also, I have my AC unit back here. Another game changer for storage has been this IKEA iBar cabinet that fits really nicely in my bathroom. It's just thin enough to fit in here perfectly, and it's kind of messy on the inside, but I keep like all my hair ties. I have my first aid kit in there, washcloths, towels, backup products that I got on sale on Amazon Prime Day. All my tanning stuff. It holds everything. And then I have this little $4 bowl from Target, and I just use it for like all my serums, my perfumes, my face care stuff, and my hair products. And here I have another tray that's just holding all my plants, and even though there's a lot of plants there, it just makes it appear more consolidated. Moving on to my entryway area, I have this other little riser from Yamakaze Home, and I've just realized that vertical storage is really great. So I can you know, vertically store all of my sunglasses versus having them spread out all across here. This little basket is such a simple idea, but I just keep this basket here for stuff that doesn't have a place, like mail that I need to get sent out or returns I need to make. I have my little lunch cooler in there, just stuff that like kind of gets thrown on the counter. If you just have a place for stuff that doesn't have a place, it makes such a difference to keep your surfaces decluttered. Utilizing the vertical storage in the top of your closet is also really helpful. I bought smaller bins so I can grab them out more easily versus having to grab a ladder and get out like a 50-pound bin. I just got these small ones from IKEA. And then I got this little shelf on Amazon, but it holds all of my little yoga towels and my extra purses. I have extra bedding up there, and it just stacks up higher so I can fit more stuff vertically. This doesn't really look the prettiest, but I have this really awesome utility storage rack from Amazon. And I just have my mops, my vacuum, everything I need right here, all my cleaning supplies. This is the charger for my vacuum. So I just leave it hanging here with an extension cord, and I can just plug it in while it's hanging here and extend the cord to the outlet that's in my bathroom. Hopefully this video was helpful for you guys. If you have any extra tips that you could share with me about storage and organizing, I would love that. Leave them in the comments below. Please like this video and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.